टोटल 800 होगा।
800 नहीं 200। अगर 500 में कोई बोलेगा तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? हाँ मतलब टोटल बोल के 50% डिस्काउंट। सच में मैं इतना बार्गेन करती हूँ ना कि मेरे दोस्त बोलते हैं बाय।
आज हम आए हैं मलाड BMC मार्केट with an amazing personality, that is आदिति पोहनकर। हम लेंगे साड़ी, jewelries and more to create an authentic Gudi Padwa look.
This is screaming more Diwali
Yeah.
and less Gudi Padwa.
ए गुड़ी पड़वा आया, गुड़ी पड़वा आया, गुड़ी पड़वा आया।
So hi Aditi, welcome
Hi.
to the BMC market. Since we are going to celebrate Gudi Padwa with you,
Yes.
all right, I am very excited to see what we find. So
Okay.
are we excited?
Very excited.
Right. आप last time कब आए हो street shopping करने के लिए?
I don't know, maybe 10 years ago or something.
So 10 years, almost a decade, और उसके
Almost
बाद हम आज आए हैं
Yeah.
BMC market to shop a
Yes.
sari for you.
Yes,
Wow.
yes.
Everything is quite colorful here. I don't know from where to begin, but I
Okay.
think let's begin from this shop
Okay,
maybe.
come.
हम आज आदिति जी के साथ साड़ी खरीदने आए हैं फॉर गुड़ी पाड़वा स्पेशल। मैं आपकी उंगली कहाँ को ये पसंद है उनके लिए? I think he has already chosen
Is
something for you.
it?
आप दिखा
That's
दीजिए वो
nice.
साड़ी।
Yeah, that's nice. Ah, this is damn exciting, dude.
Oh wow, so they have different colors. So ये
I want to
एक,
know what
दो
price
और
is
तीन।
it.
तो ये साड़ी को क्या बोलते हैं हम? पैटर्न तो
पैटर्न
गोल्ड
है।
की होती है। मेरे ये पैटर्न तो सिर्फ गोल्ड की होती है।
What else?
Okay,
Yellow
और-
में कुछ है? Yellow में?
Yellow, yellow is your favorite color?
Yeah, I think yellow in Gudi Padwa looks very nice.
Is yellow very close to your heart?
Yellow is actually the color of the divine. They say.
Yes, I
because
hear you, yes.
it gives you a essence of creation, you know,
Mhm.
because the sun is yellow.
Oh yes.
So my favorite color is blue, but lately I've been connected with yellow a lot.
Oh,
ये कितने की है पर वो तो बता दीजिए पहले। 2500.
2500.
Oh, what
Well,
all is
हमारा बजट
made?
ही उतना तक आता है, लेकिन it's a beautiful yellow, no
It
doubt.
is, it is.
But I feel this is screaming more Diwali
Yeah.
and less Gudi Padwa. I mean, this is pretty. आपकी चॉइस बहुत ही अच्छी है और मैम पे बहुत ही अच्छे से जचेगी. Do you want to still like try it on you?
We can try. ठीक है.
If you like it, but we can
We can
also look for some more
Yeah,
options.
we can look for more.
And thank you so much, भैया. Now that we are here at this shop, I also wanted to ask you a couple of questions. Are you someone who believes in sustainability?
Yes, yes. I do believe in sustainability, and I also vouch for the cloths. Like I prefer cotton most of the
Cotton,
times because
okay.
it's very good for your skin, your vibration.
Especially in
But
this heat.
and it's especially in this heat. And with my mom, I remember that she had worn something for her wedding,
Okay.
and my sister thought that she would probably make a salwar kameez out of it. But then we kind of restored that, and we are still wearing that sari. कुठे गणपती असेल किंवा काही असेल ना, so we wear that. That really has gold in it. That's
Oh, wow.
whitening. It has
Expensive.
real gold, yeah, expensive.
Wow.
Which we
So
wore
it
in
does
our
have
wedding.
value, not just
Yeah.
because it is gold, but it is your mother's.
Yes, yes.
So
yes.
that adds more value.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
absolutely.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
भैया साड़ी दिखा दीजिए। ओह, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी 2-3 साड़ीज के ऑप्शंस रखे हैं हमारे लिए। So ये हुई धूप छाव, करेक्ट?
Oh, this is silk set.
आ जाएगा।
So, ही पण छान आहे.
नारंगी पीठ आवडली।
Yeah, छान आहे.
इसमें कलर्स हैं?
ही पण छान आहे.
हाँ, I love the border.
Yeah.
आपके पास अगर येलो में होगा कुछ तो बता दीजिए। तो ये भी बनारसी ही हुई ना?
क्या मटेरियल आहे पर ये?
गोला से। सुंदर तर आहे।
नक्कीच सिल्क नाही आहे.
हाँ.
कारण की मी सिल्क घालत नाही, so it's great.
And see, the only issue is, I mean, probably
Yeah.
this is for the viewers as well. जब ऐसा वर्क होता है तो it
It
kind of
pricks,
starts
yeah.
itching you and you
Yes,
get
yes,
end up
yes.
getting rashes, and we don't want that,
Yeah.
especially in summer.
And especially I get
So,
rashes.
yeah, sensitive
So,
skin.
yeah.
Oh,
So,
That's a beautiful lilac. Oh wow, I love the padal. अब पूरा दिखा दीजिए इसका padal. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice, but it's a little loud.
Loud for you?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
मैम के लिए थोड़ा लाउड है बिकॉज
हाँ.
उनकी पर्सनालिटी ऑलरेडी इतनी हैपनिंग है तो आप पीले में या फिर थोड़े से पेस्टल्स में दिखा दी
Yeah.
एंड इट्स स्क्रीमिंग गुड़ी पाड़वा
Yeah.
टॉकिंग अबाउट गुड़ी पाड़वा हाउ डू यू सेलिब्रेट गुड़ी पाड़वा हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज दिस फेस्टिवल फॉर यू
See, Gudi Padwa or any festival being a Maharashtrian is given utmost importance in the house.
That is so true.
Especially because my parents' house is in Nagpur. It's a bungalow, and we are Brahmins, so they are like very strict about waking up in the morning. And you know, there are 2 doors to the काय म्हणतात त्याला स्वयंपाकघर. स्वयंपाकघराला 2 हे आहेत, so you cannot enter the स्वयंपाकघर without having a bath.
That's
You have to have
it's
a
a
bath.
Marathi tradition.
Yeah, so you know from there it's like Gudi Padwa आहे, Akshaya Tritiya आहे, Diwali आहे. Already the calendar is set from 1st of Jan, and
Wow.
1st of Jan is my birthday also.
Oh wow.
So you know
You're a
every
Capricorn.
I'm a Capricorn. Yeah. So it goes on and on. Ki, hey, Gudi Padwa, Gudi Padwa, Gudi Padwa. So it's like a lot of fun to see that we celebrate New Year by praying to the divine and expressing it to the world. And that's a symbol is just something which is new. म्हणजे you just put a chambu and a new sari and a pole to it, like you know. So people who were from not from India, few of my friends who came here to shoot Sultan and all this from
Yes.
Poland and all.
Yes.
They're like, what is this? Why do you do something like that? And I was like, yeah, that's a good question. That why do you do that? But certainly we express by symbolizing our love and the welcoming the new year by showing that you know we are all unanimously doing this as
That's
one.
true, that's true. Yes, thank you for sharing that. आपने तो बहुत ही अच्छे options निकाले हैं.
Yeah,
They have
these are
a
very nice.
pastel yellow as well.
Wow.
खरा बोलूं,
हाँ,
I really like it.
I also like
मुझे
it.
पसंद आ रही
Yeah,
है.
it's nice.
इसका पल्लू दिखा दीजिए. It's fresh, it's trendy, it's something new. इसका पल्लू भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. I haven't seen a border like this before, so that makes it more unique. It's yellow, which is your favorite color. So
Super.
देर किस बात की? Actually देर है. आपने I think blouses भी carry किए हैं.
Oh,
So let's
yeah.
just quickly.
I have one
try.
yellow in that.
That's beautiful.
It's something
मैंने ऐसा
which
border
is-
अभी तक देखा नहीं है.
It's
so-
not something I would pick, but I would go with
Yes,
your
yes, yes, please.
sister,
If you're
right?
really going with me, trust me, you're doing the right thing.
But I like to explore new things.
Yes. So, since you mentioned that you have carried a yellow blouse,
Yeah.
I mean, yellow to theek hai, but then
This
I am
gold.
somebody who really likes to experiment a lot.
Okay.
So, I see this beautiful pink, and I think we could really use this one.
Is it?
Yeah. I really love the combination of pink and yellow together. It looks nice. Because, kya hai na,
What do you think?
sari already is giving so much glam. So, it's better to a little tone out the blouse a bit, you know?
With pink or maybe
Yeah.
What
Even
is
this is there. I personally love
no?
pink
This
more
is not going.
because
Yeah.
it's just adding more life to the sari.
Maybe gold.
Gold
No,
is like,
this is not going.
you know. अब हम खाएंगे भैया जी का दिमाग.
Oh God.
भैया जी, अब हम आपका दिमाग खाएंगे.
सॉरी, मैंने ना छोड़ दिया था रुलाना लोगों को. सच में मैं इतना बार्गेन करती हूँ ना कि मेरे दोस्त बोलते हैं बाय.
भैया,
आप बोलिए
आखिर में हमें ये सारी पसंद आ गई है, लेकिन इसके आगे का वार्तालाप करेंगे मैडम जी.
हाँ चलेगा.
बताइए कितने में दे रहे हो लास्ट फाइनल.
इसका दाम है 1200 रुपए.
अच्छा कितनी कम हो.
और फिर
बताइए ना लास्ट कितना देंगे.
it's my mother's birthday, so I'm
Okay.
going to look something for her.
ओके ओके
Over to you.
श्योर. हो गई. अभी ये आपके और मेरे बीच में 100 रुपीज का. मैं 500 में मांग लूं. I should do this. अगर 500 में कोई बोलेगा तो आपको कैसे लगेगा.
कुछ नहीं, वो खाली सुनेंगे, हम खाली ऐसा आर्गुमेंट नहीं करेंगे. ऐसा हाँ, गुस्सा थोड़ी करने का. अब बोल देगा फिर नहीं आएगा ऐसा.
ठीक है. मैंने मर्सिडीज शोरूम में भी ऐसे ही बार्गेन किया था.
बहुत अच्छी बात है, बहुत बढ़िया.
ओके डन 500 इट इज.
नो डन.
नो डन.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
तो लास्ट बताइए ना.
फिक्स है लास्ट.
ओके
800.
800 डन. या because less than this I'll kill myself.
चलो बताइए. Mission is accomplished.
Mission is accomplished.
So from 1200,
We came to 800.
1200 की साड़ी, 1200 की आप 800 में दे रहे हो.
Yeah. Not bad, no?
Not bad, but जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, इन्होंने 800 रुपए किया है. अब बारी आती है मेरी. लास्ट प्राइस. अब मुझे बोलिए.
आप 50 रुपीस और कम दे दो बस. ओके
700. आप लोग 700. Best. आपका ना मेरा हो गया.
ओके धन्यवाद.
See, that's how you party. When you're with that.
Oh, done.
So 700 रुपए में हमें ये प्यारी सी साड़ी मिल गई है for गुड़ी पाड़वा,
Okay.
which really goes well with the blouse. So I am happy.
Yes, yes.
हो गया।
ये प्लास्टिक की जरूरत
हाँ,
नहीं
तो
है.
प्लास्टिक की जरूरत नहीं है, हम
ऐसे ही दे
प्लास्टिक
दो।
यूज नहीं करते,
हाँ,
खास
plastic
करके
नहीं
गली फैशन पे, because we
Oh,
say
is
no to
it?
plastic, yes.
So do I.
Because हमें अब शॉप करना है some jewelry.
Jewelry.
So thank you so much भैया, आपकी शॉप का नाम क्या है?
अंजनी साड़ी
अंजनी साड़ी at
अंजनी, yes.
अंजनी साड़ी at DMC Market in Malad. Please आइए।
थैंक यू, आइए, धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much.
तो अब हम आए हैं महालक्ष्मी ज्वेलरी स्टोर विच इज अगेन एट द BMC मार्केट। यहाँ इनके पास तरह तरह की ज्वेलरी ऑप्शंस है, बट हमें
Okay.
ट्रेडिशनल मराठी ज्वेलरी देखनी है, तो आप जरा कुछ ऑप्शंस दिखा दोगे? बट आई
beautiful.
क्वाइट लाइक दैट बिकॉज़
Which one? This one is delicate, no?
otherwise
ये,
it
ये.
looks, you know, forced
Yeah,
styling.
exactly. निहाल के
इयरिंग भी अच्छे, बट इयरिंग्स आई थिंक हम थोड़ा चेंज कर सकते हैं। वी कैन लुक फॉर सम ऑप्शंस। आपके पास इयरिंग्स में ऑप्शंस होंगे? ओके, ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी नाइस भैया, थैंक यू। सो आपने कभी ऐसा कोई ज्वेलरी पहना है या खरीदा है?
नहीं.
नेक्स्ट तो आई थिंक हमें खरीदना होगा।
I have not. Usually, my sister gets me stuff from Amrapali.
Oh wow,
Recently, on my birthday, she gave me a beautiful.
that's
purse.
real gold,
That's it.
ब्यूटीफुल।
Wow.
मुझे तो पसंद आ गया ये, बट आई थिंक हम इयरिंग्स में थोड़े अलग ऑप्शंस ट्राई कर सकते हैं। सो भैया जी ने हमें ये ऑप्शंस दिखाया which looks pretty. I really want to get back to the sarees. I mean, how many sarees do you have in total? And are you somebody who believes in shopping a lot of sarees from different states and cities and culture? Are you someone like
Yeah, actually, what the thing is that. So I went to Banaras. I bought some 12 sarees.
Wow.
And I went to Kolkata. I bought that work, you know, the Kolkata work. So there's one sari which was quite expensive. But the reason why it was expensive is because it tells a story on the sari,
Oh wow.
like a complete story,
Oh, wow.
you know.
So I can proudly say that you are a shopaholic.
Yeah.
है ना? You love shopping.
Yeah.
And भले आपने 10 साल पहले बॉम्बे में शॉपिंग की हो, लेकिन आप बाकी सिटीज में और स्टेट में
Yes.
जाकर शॉपिंग करते हो।
100%. जहाँ पे भी मैं शूट करती हूँ, मैं एक टिकट लेती हूँ मेरी बहन का। I know once I'm going to rap, वो आती है और हम 2 बैग्स खाली लेके जाते हैं और भर के उसको लेके जैसे अभी
That is how
जोधपुर
you
में।
shop. That's how you're supposed to shop,
Yeah.
guys. Please do take some tips from Aditi. ओके भैया, देखो हमने ये बैंगल्स खरीद लिए हैं,
ये तो नहीं हो रही है।
ये कान का जो चेन है वो खरीद लिया है, ये इयरिंग्स हमने खरीद ली है, और क्या खरीदा है? हाँ, और नेकलेस
Yeah.
खरीदा है, और नथ भी है। तो इन सब का टोटल बता दीजिए कितना होगा, पर बार्गेन करेंगे मैम आदिति जी। तो ओवर टू
देखो,
यू।
मैंने कहा था कि मैंने ये छोड़ दिया है लोगों को भगाना मेरे लाइफ से, है ना। वैसे भी मैं पम्मी हूँ, आते जाते लोग मुझसे डर जाते हैं। अच्छा बोलिए कितना कितना लास्ट बताइए।
टोटल बताओ,
टोटल मतलब, हाँ मतलब टोटल बोल के 50% डिस्काउंट।
टोटल बोल के
अरे गुड़ी पड़वा है, गुड़ी पड़वा है, चलता। मेरे यहाँ के फ्रूट्स वाले ना, उनका सबका शॉप बंद हो गया है।
टोटल 800 होगा।
800 नहीं, 200।
ओके चलिए, I'll come in the frame with you. आप सबका मिला के बोल रहे हो 800।
ओके 500।
Last price बोलिए।
500।
6, चलो आपका ना मेरा 600, that's a fair deal.
इन्होंने छोड़ दिया
That's
आपको।
really nice कि आपने 600 में आप ये सब चीजें दे रहे हो।
थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच।
you so much, और आपको गुड़ी पाड़वा in advance।
शुभेच्छा।
As you know, it's Gudi Padwa episode, and we have already shopped a sari for you.
Yeah.
And we have shopped jewelry as well. So kudos to us, and great at bargaining skills.
Yeah.
But coming back to Gudi Padwa, one of our favorite seasons, is our Hindu New Year.
Yes.
So considering that you're a very health conscious girl,
Yes.
okay, look at you. I mean, of course, that goes without saying. So other than Shrikhand Puri and Puran Puri with
Yeah.
soup,
Right.
do you have any other secret recipe that you have in your mind for yourself and for the viewers to know?
Well, secret, I can't say it's secret, but my favorite is vada pav. So the
Wow.
vada out of
The
that.
iconic Indian burger.
Yeah. So that vada I make myself.
Oh wow.
I make that vada, and I also make sabudana vada, which is a very different
my
way.
favorite.
Yeah, is it? Yeah. So my dad used to make it in a certain way. So I do that. So there are so many things when we are celebrating Gudi Padwa in your plate. But vada, my section will be like 5 vadas will be in one corner part.
Wow. Okay.
So please come. I'll make it for you.
Of course. Thank you. So it's vada pav and sabudana.
And sabudana vada.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, what a day. आज तो
Well,
मजा ही आ गया.
बहुत मजा आ गया.
Please tell me, Aditi, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग करके
देख-
इन मुंबई 10 सालों के बाद?
देखो मैं बता तो रही हूँ कि मैं लोगों को रुला देती थी बार्गेनिंग करके, पर तुम तो मेरे ऊपर निकली. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके, मे बी आई शुड गेट बैक ऑन माय हॉर्स एंड गो शॉपिंग, स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग.
Or you can go back shopping with Gaga.
Oh yeah, I can
The
go back
choice is
shopping with
yours.
Gaga also. So we have bought this for 700.
Yes, 700.
Right?
A great deal.
I didn't
Again,
really, I
I'm
never thought.
obsessed with the pallu.
It's
I mean,
beautiful.
I just want the audience to see it as well. So beautiful pallu.
Beautiful
And
pallu.
we bought these bangles, the neck piece, earrings, the
Yeah.
ear chain, and the iconic nut,
Nut.
the Maharashtrian nut.
How much is that?
That was for 150.
150.
But pura
Wow.
round figure karke we got everything for 600 rupees.
Yeah.
Kudos to you and to
Thank
me
you. Thank you.
all of you for all the love that you have been constantly giving us. But I cannot wait to get you Gudi Padwa ready.
Yes,
So
let's do that.
Let's make this happen.
Let's make this happen.